Hey everybody, Scott here for the Digital Guitar Playground. It is Monday, and today we are continuing on with the sound and light baffle situation going on in this room. I went out this weekend and bought a couple of yoga mats from a local thrift store. $6 a pop, and I have used this material in the past to use as sound deadening inside of my ISO cabs as the first layer against the wood, and then a second layer of acoustic foam. I used Auralex in my first Jet City ISO cab. In this current one I used, I don't know, whatever the pyramid shaped foam is called. Sonex maybe? But yeah, so I've got a couple of these. Cut them up. You'll see them on the piece of wood in question. I took the whole thing down into the basement. Actually, I did this yesterday in here. I had all the windows open. Good thing it was actually a warm day yesterday. Today it's in the 20s. Yesterday, not so much, because that high strength 90 by 3M, super toxic. Excuse me, I just had lunch. Yeah, super toxic. And make sure to wear, breathing protection. I do. And yeah, so let's take this down to the basement, show you what I've done so far. All right, here I am back in the basement. Now, some of these panels did not puff up like I had hoped, but there is a fix. You can hit them with a heat gun or a hair dryer. Just don't get too close. They will melt, and you can usually bring them back if you take a look. Whoops. Got a little too close on that one. But, yeah. They're not exactly, ballpark Franks. But, ooh, that doesn't smell great. But yeah, they will definitely, come back closer to 1 inch. All right, I've done some adjusting to the light. We're going to just do a little bit down on this end. On the other end is where I am shooting the panels, because it's important when you do use the spray-on adhesive. I like the 90 high strength, that you lay some down on the panel that you're going to attach it to and the panel itself. So both pieces need to have the adhesive, and then wait 1 minute for it to get tacky, then apply. So, lay down a Now I'm going to lay it down to the panels. It's also important to use some protection. This stuff is super toxic. So, I just remembered that. Now I give it another 45 seconds. Then I start laying down some panels. Uh-oh. Get off there, you son of a bitch. There you go, everybody. Oh, good time, sound, baffle fun. Fucking around with this foam, making it work. The heat gun really did help, except for that one spot where where it started to smoke. You know, what are you gonna do? My wife was complaining about the noise, so that's the whole reason for this whole thing. I mean, I don't know that. We'll see how much it helps, but that is a glass door, so it's got to do something. I hope. At the very least, it'll make this room a lot more private. Good times. So, come on back on Friday. I will finish all this up tomorrow because I need to go get more of the 3M High Strength 90 spray. I ran out. Need another can. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Figure out a way to hang it. Shoot the whole thing. And then show you the results on Friday. Come on back. This is the kind of super exciting content that I know you were all clamoring for. I will see you then. And until then, rock on.